Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok freezing. To know how to fix or how to solve your TikTok freezing, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window of TikTok and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to click on storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can go to your airplane mode, you can wait a moment. And you can turn off again your airplane mode to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.